Welcome back. In this video, we're making prosciutto and burrata sandwiches. For the pesto, into a food processor, pine nuts, and Parmesan cheese. Blend into a paste, then add basil, dill, mint, garlic, and lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper, and then while blending, slowly pour in olive oil. Blend until the desired consistency has been achieved. For the focaccia, into the bowl of a stand mixer, bread flour, yeast, and sugar. Pour in water, start mixing on low speed, then add salt. Increase the speed to medium-high, and continue mixing for another 12 to 15 minutes, or until the dough clears the sides and bottom of the bowl. Into a clean bowl, pour in olive oil. In goes your dough, cover, and let rise for 2 hours, or until doubled in size. Into a baking pan lined with parchment paper, a little bit of olive oil, add in your dough, stretch it out as best as you can, cover, and let rise for 30 to 45 minutes. Make your dimples. On go the toppings of your choice. I'm using cherry tomatoes, rosemary, and oregano. Season with salt and pepper. Finish with more olive oil right over the top. Bake at 450 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes, or until lightly golden brown and crispy. Transfer to a wire rack to finish cooling about 1 to 2 hours. And if you did it right, you should have a bunch of tiny air pockets. To assemble, pesto, a few slices of prosciutto, burrata, arugula, drizzle with a balsamic glaze, some more pesto on the top half, crown your sandwich. Once again, pesto, prosciutto, burrata, arugula, balsamic glaze, some more pesto, on goes the top half, and there we have it, prosciutto and burrata sandwiches. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.